Here I have Realme 5i, and today I'm going to show you how to record screen on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button Start Screen Recording. If you tap on this button once, recording will start. If you hold down finger on it, you can access some of its settings. For example, you can select video resolution, you can display orientation of generated video. You can select audio source, for example no sound or microphone sound. You can show front camera while recording, and you can record screen taps. So let's start recording. As you can see, after the countdown, recording starts. So we can record some of our screen, then tap on this menu once again, and recording will be saved to the gallery. To the videos album, and here it is. So we can record some of our screen, then tap on this, and from here you can share, edit or delete your recording. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.